Hello everyone, myself Nitin, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you will learn how to create knockout text effect using Adobe Photoshop. First open your image in Photoshop. Select a rectangle tool and create a rectangle. Fill the rectangle with your desired color. Create a text layer. Transform the text according to your rectangle size. Right-click on text layer and select blending options. Change knockout value from none to shallow. And fill opacity set to 0. Hit OK. Here is the final output. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.